Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2023 37 Sundancer. Sea Ray has absolutely knocked it out of the park on this boat. Every imaginable option on this boat, they have it. It's just one of the coolest boats you're ever going to get on. Start at the back, you've got the Mercury V8s, triple 300 horsepower, ton of horsepower for this boat. Great control, great torque. Big storage in the back. We've got a storage for lines and fenders, so plenty of room to keep all that in the back of the boat, not having to put them on the inside. And then they did a really cool thing with the seats. So this is the L-shaped seating you have here, but if the boat's not running and you're just hanging out at the beach or hanging out anchored out or whatever you want to do, just take this, lower it down. Now it gives you a sun pad. You could just lay out if you want to do, but take this, pick it up like so, and now you have a very cool lounge seat. Just a great place. You're out, your view of the water is fantastic, unobstructed. Just a really, really cool fixture. I like it a lot. All right, let's put that back down like so. It's very easy, obviously, to do. So I move into the cockpit. Beautiful seating all the way around, so you can put 8 adults very comfortable back here. You've got great storage on here, so if I lift this up, good storage. The double set of table legs, the high-low down here, because you can make this a sun pad in the back, which is very cool. And then same over here, we got a larger storage. And the other set of table legs, because we can put one up in the front, because you can fill that, and that makes a sun pad on the front. But huge storage in the back, so the cockpit is really cool. You've got the sunshade up here. It's automatic. Look how far back it goes. I mean, it really shades you completely. Even when you're sitting back here, you're still shaded. So just really, nicely done on this. We do have a skylight up here, and then we do have a sunroof that automatically opens up, and then we have air vents in the front. So they've really done the whole top of the boat beautifully, beautifully done. So we've got a little galley set up. We've got an electric grill, the Kenyan grill, top of the line grill, can cook anything perfectly on this. Refrigerator with a small freezer, keep like a 5-pound bag of ice in there for your martinis. Got a sink, drink holders, storage, trash, just a really nice galley setup. Then I move up, you got a dual seat here. It's very, very comfortable. You got bolsters here that'll pop it up, give you a little extra height if you want to. But it's a captain seat on most boats, so nicely done here. So this cabin is totally air conditioned, so I can put the canvas up, and I've got air conditioning in here or heat, whichever you need. But all temperature controlled, which is really, really cool, especially here in the summertime. The helm area, the sim rads are absolutely gorgeous. So I've got it set up here. This particular boat has Seakeeper on it, so it's the option that if the boat's doing this, it'll take 90% of the rock out of it. So if you're out there and the boat's going, you turn it on, it'll just go just like this, only 10% of the roll versus 100% of the roll. It's an incredible option. It's a must-have. Spotlight, digital throttle and shift. I've got the joystick. The joystick does 3 things. You can I can go sideways on this boat right now. I can just get in and out of any slip, any condition, anytime. It's great. Right now I've got the skyhook button on, so this boat is just sitting here in place, doing its own thing. So at the end of the day, if you're pointing at the sunset, put the skyhook on, you can go up to the bow, little glass of wine, you're pointing at the sunset the whole time. You don't even hear the motors running in the back, and it's just a great, great feature on that. And it does have an autopilot, which is auto heading. It's a point and shoot. It doesn't get any easier than that. So just a great feature all the way around. Here we are down in the cabin. What a beautiful cabin. It's very, very large down here. So you can put 4 adults very comfortably. You can put 4 adults and a couple of kids down here as well. Just plenty of room for everybody on it. It's got a nice little galley set up down below. You've got a nice sink set up. You've got a refrigerator with another freezer. You got a microwave right here. So pretty much everything you need on that. L-shaped seating here. The kids come down and they want to watch TV. They can watch TV on we've got 2 TVs down there. They can watch TV on this one. If you want to go to bed, all you do is hit this, and now it makes a really large bed. So you can put, again, a couple of adults, very comfortable, free if you needed it. These are your filler cushions that make the cockpit area a sun pad. Also, that's the one that makes the bow a sun pad. So those are your filler cushions right there. Your TV, your head, vessel sink, vacuum flush head, skylight on there, and a separate shower. So it's not a wet head, it's a dry head. So that's a big deal in there. And then lastly, the mid cabin in the back. It's very large. So you can have 2 adults very comfortably back there, a bunch of kids back there. You've got another TV so they can go back there and hang out and entertain themselves perfectly. So great cabin. Let's go up to the bow and see the rest. As we walk up to the bow area, got a heavy duty door, one piece, just phenomenal. Plenty of room getting through. And Sea Ray has just done an incredible job with the bow on the boat. Years ago, they would just be a flat bow up here. You put a couple of sun pads. You couldn't ride up here. Not very comfortable. Now it's part of the boat. Now I can have a half a dozen people riding comfortably up here. You're inside the boat. It's not dangerous. It's just a great, great addition. You know, 6 or 7 adults added to the already seating in the back. It's a lot of people you can put on this boat. So it's got like it's 4 or 5 people here. You've got U-shaped here. I have a table that goes in here, so you can have a table that comes up, or I can have a table that'll go in here, and this will be a filler cushion, so you make this one big sun pad. But with the table up and you want to have drinks, just pull this up, and now you can sit. You got the table here. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adults comfortably around the table, drinks, hors d'oeuvres, that type of thing. Great feature, recessed, windlass, spotlight. It's got radar on there as well. The windshield, the view from here, you can see what the windshield is. It's just unobstructed, great windshield all the way around the board. It's a beautiful boat, has everything. So if you got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.